How to convert PDF to JPG. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily convert your PDF file to a JPG file. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing that you need to do is open up your web browser, and here you're just going to search for online converter. And once you search for it, you'll find different links. I suggest you tap on the first one right here. And you have different options here. So you can audio convert, you can convert your document, web services, ebook converter, and if you keep scrolling, you'll see PDF to Word, and right below that, you'll have PDF to JPG. And here you can just select your file from PDF to JPG. Now just choose file from your device. So here I've chosen a random PDF file, so I'm just going to tap on start. And once the upload is complete, the pre-processing of your files, it will show you up right here. So now once you have the file, you can just tap on export as on the top, and from here. And once that is done, you can just tap on this download button right here to download the JPG. As you can see, this was my PDF file, but now it's converted to JPG. And now I'm just going to open it up from my notifications because the download is complete. And here it is. This is the JPG file. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.